It is easier to create an improved future experience than work on improving your current experience, isn't it? Namaste everyone, my name is Vasudha Talware and welcome to the day 12 of your 22 days challenge of raising your vibrations with me. And today's day is all about segment intending. So when you are in a specific situation, say for example, you're cooking, you are in one segment, right? So you're cooking, you're focusing on the ingredients, you're stirring something, you're adding something, your whole experience is of this segment, right? And if somebody calls you, and you look at the phone, you see that it's somebody and you decide that I'm going to continue and complete my cooking chore and then answer the phone. So the answering of the phone would have been the second segment number 2. But you chose to go into your next segment after finishing the current one, right? So that's a choice you made. If that was an important call that you were expecting, then you would leave this segment and go into the second segment with an intention set before even you answer the call that, hey, let the call be fruitful, let it go positively, just the way I want it to, let it flow, let me complete all formalities that the call requires me to, and then with that finished task, come back and finish the segment 1. So that is called segment intending. When you enter a second segment, you go set an intention for it and only then enter it. How's that? That not just takes care of what your experience in the future is going to be like, which you set. It also allows you to come back, carry that energy forward to your segment 3 and segment 4 and segment 5 and segment 6 and so on and so forth through the day for the rest of your life. It's a practice. So to give you another example, is suppose you are going to meet your mother-in-law who you know has not really liked you, or you're on your way to work in a 2-person office when you know that you don't get along with the second person really. This amazing way of setting intentions before you get into that segment is beautiful and extremely powerful, but it works only when your resistance is low. So imagine you are on your way to meet your mother-in-law who you know doesn't like you so much, or maybe you're driving down to your 2-person office when you know that the other person annoys you a lot. Opposition or the resistance is too much. The segment intending may not work. Therefore, not the best idea to apply this over here, when in fact you can apply the other processes that we've gone through in the past videos. For this, the resistance has to be low, and it's a beautiful process for you to set and see how your next segment is going to be like setting forth, visualizing that this is how it's going to be. I'm going to have a good time. This is what I'm going to say. This is what the other person is going to say. It's going to come to a beautiful close. That's how we're going to end. And maybe that's how we're going to begin if it's a beginning, and so on and so forth. So it's beautiful a way to intend how you imagine your future to become, segment after segment, and your day is divided into so many segments. The moment you wake up while you're still in bed, that's one segment. Then you getting done with your morning rituals, that's another segment. You sitting, meditating is another segment. You going eating is another segment. You going out for work, that's another segment. You working, another segment. So it's all little, and if you pay attention to the minutest, smallest segments, you're switching from one moment to the other, you will be very aware. The best way to practice this is to write down. Before you're entering a new segment, just write down what you intend from that segment. It'll give you a very good control, a hang of intending before you enter the segment, and after a few days you won't need to write it, it'll just come to you like that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share it with your loved ones so that they too intend before entering their segments. Leave a comment below and let me know how you have found it to be, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and click on the bell icon to know all about my upcoming videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I love you very, very much. Mwah!